Yes, Winterfest. Entrance is 35.80 only. Yan, marami tayong makikita dun. May games, Christmas tree, stage for entertainment, of course, Santa Claus. For the kids zone, may games for kids. May maraming booth for food, damit, and of course, mga accessories. May mga mascots. And carnival zone.